Subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our newest uploads.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn how to download Discord app on your Android device. For this, open Play Store on your menu. In the search bar, type in Discord and press search. When you see Discord app icon, press on it, then press install. This will begin download on your device. Shortly after the download is completed, the app will be installed on your device. In this way, you can download Discord on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.